Guys, I'm Elena Ferris, and today I'm gonna tell you about a very important sound in English, and this is the sound ah. This sound is very easy to pronounce. If you imagine you come to the doctor and you open your mouth to show your throat. Ah. This sound is very long in English, and you really need to try harder to sing it. Like, for example, a man, fat. Some more words with the sound cat, rat, fat, family, apple, bad. Finally, tongue twister. A fat cat sat on a mat, and ate a fat rat. Let's do it a little faster. A fat cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. A fat cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. I hope you'll find it very useful and it won't be very scary to pronounce the sound any longer. I'm waiting for a thumb up or the thumb down. Thank you guys, see you around.